Page 252 is arithmetic sequencing. And the rule in the center of this page says it's known as the explicit rule of sequences, which means a consecutive group of numbers like, for example, 3, 12, 21, and 30, you'll be able to figure out, based on the differences between each of those numbers, what any number is ahead, like the 20th number or the 30th number in this particular sequence. And the way to do it is with this rule. We start out with our first term, which in case here is 3, and the difference between each of the numbers in this case is 9, and we're looking for the 20th number. So with those 3 given bits of information, we can find out what the 20th number is with this rule. So we got 3, and then 20 minus 1 times the distance between each of the numbers, 9, gives us 174 as our 20th number. Go ahead and find the 45th, the 20th, and 34th term of the following problems.